passengers enforced the evacuation of smoke-filled cars. An expert tells investigative reporter Harry Hairston it could have all been avoided. And a lawmaker says the transit system should get out of the passenger train business. The NBC 10 investigators have been working this story for days.
Scenes like this have played out over and over again on PACO train lines. Records obtained by the NBC 10 investigators show train motors have shorted out or failed more than 600 times in the past 5 years. Passengers had to get off the train after smoke filled their cars 2 weeks ago. Electrical professor Dr. Anthony Deese from the College of New Jersey tells me circuit breakers should have prevented the problem.
If there were the proper protective systems that were shutting off the power to the motor when the problem occurred, there shouldn't be a chance for the motor to generate that much heat and that much smoke.
Deese says there would have only been a small spark and a little bit of smoke.
We had a pretty significant and lasting fault within the system.
But PACO says circuit breakers were used, telling me the breaker did not have enough electrical current to prevent a short.
I've been following your stories.
Pennsylvania State Senator John Rafferty chairs the Transportation Committee. His committee works on laws to protect the state's interests in the Delaware River Port Authority. The DRPA owns PACO. He wants the DRPA out of the passenger train business.
They ought to consider looking at the possibility of leasing off or selling off PACO to either New Jersey Transit or SEPTA. Let them run it.
Rafferty says a SEPTA takeover would benefit everyone.
The benefit would be the public, first of all, and we're the public, that SEPTA has won awards for their management and for their transportation styles. And I think the benefit for SEPTA would be that would enhance their line of ridership.
PACO says no one has approached them about a SEPTA takeover, but SEPTA tells me there has been talk and it's open to discussions. Senator Rafferty says he's also exploring to see if any other private businesses might be willing to purchase PACO. For the investigators, Harry Hairston, NBC 10 News.
Now, your NBC 10 First Alert.